Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your battery lasts no time at all, you're not alone. This common issue can stem from battery wear and tear over time, which can lead to decreased performance and, if left unattended, could result in complete failure of your device. Replacing the battery is essential to ensure your Acer N19H2 continues to function effectively. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement battery that is compatible with the Acer N19H2. To begin, make sure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by carefully removing the back cover using a plastic spudger. Gently slide the spudger around the edges to release any clips holding the cover in place, taking care not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. It's typically secured with screws. Remove any screws using your Phillips screwdriver, keeping them in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard using your tweezers, making sure to lift it straight up without pulling on the wires. Once disconnected, you can carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. When replacing it, ensure the new battery is the same size and shape as the old one. Place it into the compartment and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Ensure it is securely in place, then replace any screws you removed earlier. When closing the device, align the back cover properly and press down firmly to ensure all clips are engaged. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Lastly, it's always a good idea to keep your device software updated and to avoid extreme temperatures, as these factors can negatively impact battery life. Regularly monitor your battery's health through the device settings to catch any issues early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.